how to use the DataTool web extension to easily save and organize videos, comments, subtitles, and video data from TikTok and Douyin. Installing the extension, open DataTool VIP and click Install to add the extension. DataTool supports Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. We'll use the Chrome version as an example here. Once installed, pin the DataTool icon, save a single video, open TikTok on your desktop browser. After installing, you'll notice a small DT icon floating on the right side of any video. Click the icon to see download options. You can choose to save the video, audio, or cover image individually. Save batch videos. Open any creator's profile page. Click the DT icon, then select Batch Download. You can include audio and cover images, choose specific dates, or download everything at once. Batch downloads can be saved as a zip file or as separate MP4s. Again, you'll find everything neatly stored under Downloads. Save video comments. Open any video and scroll down, you'll see the DT icon again. Click it to open the comment cache page. You can pause anytime, and once it's finished loading, you'll be able to export comments with details like usernames, likes, replies, and more, great for video review and content analysis. Save video subtitles. Click on any video, and on the left side you'll notice two buttons. Select the blue button to open the subtitle page. From there, you can instantly access bilingual or multi-language translations, copy or download subtitles, and even switch between different AI translation models. Save batch video data. When you're on a creator's profile, click the DT icon again and choose Batch Video Data. Export detailed performance data, including titles, covers, likes, comments, shares, favorites, views, and publish dates, all in one sheet for easy review and analysis. Save a single video. The same process works on Douyin too. Once the browser extension is installed, refresh the page and open Douyin. You'll see the DT icon appear automatically. Save batch videos. Save batch raw videos from a user's profile. Save video comments. Open the comments section, click Get Comments, and wait for the data to load. Save batch video data. On the user's homepage, click DT to export performance data just like on TikTok.